Have you ever asked ChatGPT to make a multi-page Tkinter app? Let's try it right now. We'll run the code it gives us in VS Code immediately. It made a nice prototype, but honestly not my favorite. I would position the buttons on the left side instead of at the bottom, and I would also highlight the area where the buttons are located with a different color. Time to make our own version and see how fun we can get. First, we start by creating a Tkinter window. We give it a title, Simple Multi-Page Tkinter App, so we can see it at the top of the window. Then we set the geometry to 800-500, which defines the size of our window. Next, we create a container frame inside the main window. This frame will hold all the different pages of our app. We pack it on the right side so it takes most of the space and make it expandable, so the pages fill the window when we resize it. We also configure the grid inside this container so that each page will stretch properly. Then we create 4 different pages, each as a frame: Home, Menu, Contact, and About. These frames all share the same background color to keep things consistent. We put them in a dictionary called Pages so we can easily access them by name. After that, we place all pages on top of each other using grid, but only one will be visible at a time when we raise it. For the content of each page, we simply add a label with some text. For example, the home page says, "Welcome to the home page." The menu page says, "This is the menu page," and so on. The font is set larger to make it readable and centered on the page. We also define a function called showPage, which takes the page name and brings that page to the front using tkraise. This is how we switch between pages when someone clicks a button. Now comes the side navigation bar. We create another frame on the left side and give it a dark color number 2C3E50 so it stands out from the content area. Then we create buttons for each page. The buttons have white text, a slightly lighter background, and a green highlight when you click them. We pack the buttons vertically with some spacing so it looks nice. Each button calls the show page function with its corresponding page name. Finally, we show the home page by default, and then we start the main loop to run the app. If we run this code, we get a modern multi-page Tkinter app. The buttons are on the left, and the main content changes as we click each one. I think I did a better job than ChatGPT here, especially with the side menu and the colored background. You can find both codes in the video description. Thanks for watching.